Oh my gosh, I saw this really cute girl. Yeah, I brought my girlfriend here because we're about to go to the bus stop to go to France. Yeah, I met this cute girl, but I forgot her name. Oh, there she is. Should I go talk to her? Of course, dude. I'll be back. Hey. Hi, how are you doing? Good. We met at the bus stop, right? Oh, yeah. When we were going to Europe. I know, that was a really good bus stop area. They had nice benches. They also had picnic tables, free food too. I know, but, oh, what happened to your leg? Oh, I was just bringing some brownies to the boy, the other girls. Sorry, my bad. I get nervous when I talk to boys. So what do you want to do? Would you like to go out to dinner with me? Sure, I would love to. Where would you like to go? How about to the Western Barn? It's a nice place. Sure. Here, how about you meet my friend? Okay. Hi. What's your name? My name's Jacob. What's yours? My name's Sunshine. How are you doing? Great. How are you? Good. What's your friend over there's name? My name's Sophia. How are you doing? Great. So what do you got? Do you guys want to go to the Western Barn with us? Sure. Is it okay if I talk to Sophia for a minute? Sure. So I really wanted that date. I wanted to have a date with that girl. I wanted to take her to the Western Barn because it was a really nice day. When will I ever get a date with that girl? She is so cute. Even though she breaks her leg. She's more prettier on the inside than the outside. I love her so much. I know, I love Sophia too. Do you want to go there? Sure, let's go. Hey, Justin, I have a question I need to ask you. Yes, anything you need to ask me, dear. Will you go on a date with me? We're having a party. I was gonna ask Jasmine if it's okay to invite you. I wanted to kind of go on a date with you. Oh, I would love to. You're the best friend ever. Well, what should we do now? How about for our date, I can take you to the prom or something. That would be perfect. I would love it. I have a question. Will you be my prom sweetheart? Yes, I will. How about tomorrow night? 9? Perfect time. Well, I'll see you then. Oh my gosh. She just asked me to date. I can't believe it. I better see her tomorrow. I can't wait for that perfect date with her.
Oh, hey, Yasmin, wait up. Oh, hey, Eric. Hey, Yasmin. So, where are you headed? Oh, nothing. I was just walking my dog. It's a lovely day, don't you think? Totally. So, why don't you come and meet me at the ranch? I'm teaching this girl. Her name's Celia. Celia? That's my friend. I know her. I'm totally gonna come. So, what's your dog's name? Her name is Popcorn. Popcorn? What do you mean? Well, that's just what I wanted my dog's name to be. Oh, well, that's cute. So, what did you name your horse? Oh, his name is Alan. Alan isn't a bad name. Maybe I could come and visit you, Celia, and Alan. What's Celia's horse name? Her horse name is Mop. Mom, oh, it's just a name. No hard feelings. Oh, sorry about sorry about that. Mop is just a really weird name. I mean, like, you know the mop you like clean the floors with? Yeah. That's just what the doll's name is. Whew. Sorry about that. So, how about we stop at the food truck and get us a hot dog? Sure, that'll be great. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.